Okay, I'm just showing basically the sunrise. It's really cool. I'm up watching birds because I got up to feed them. Pan over. I can actually pan and show the birds on the driveway. I threw some food out for them. I'm using a little mini tripod. I keep forgetting to take it with me. But the sun as it's hitting these tree branches is really cool. Particularly these ones way in the back there. I'm gonna zoom in. This is how I'm spending my Sunday morning inside, not cold, thankfully. I'm so sick of the cold. Trying to figure out my tripod here. But those branches all the way in the back there, those are really cool. 2 days off and it's cold weather. I'm not looking forward to cold weather, but I am looking to have 2 days off, going out to probably the Delhi greenhouse, which is out by Tri-County Mall, and walking around because it will be nice and warm, particularly if the sun keeps up. Hopefully the sun will keep up. I'll go out there and walk in the greenhouse. It will feel like summer, look at plants. Basically buy some bird food. Maybe build a fire. I got way too much fire. Shoot some videos, of course. That's it. My plans for 2 days off.